What's going on, everybody? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I think I may have made a similar video to this, but just got a call recently and figured I should make this video for you guys. It's worth hearing multiple times anyways. So, we want everything to go right. We want everything to go great. We want everybody to be super happy with our work and everything. But what happens when somebody's not happy? How do you handle that? What do you need to do in order to resolve it? Regardless of how cool or how crazy the person wants to be about it, certainly determines a lot of how you're going to handle it. But first and foremost, as soon as you know something's wrong, you got to go over there, you got to make it right, you got to fix it. You got to respond to this person right away. When you get that phone call, you're like, oh no, Miss Johnson's mad about such and such. Man, I really don't want to talk to her right now. She was a pain to deal with, or whatever it may be. Because the longer you make that go, the worse it's going to be. You know, if you got a full load scheduled the next day, it's fine. Bust those out and get over there. You know, if it's something where you burn something on from a roof job or whatever, get over there right away. The sooner you act, as soon as they let you know, the better. And, most customers are going to be, upset about it, but they're going to let you and expect you to come over and make it right. So here's the more difficult part, more challenging one, is when somebody is so mad about how it turned out, which really, again, folks, this shouldn't happen often, but if somebody's that upset about how the job went, that they're like, no, I don't even want you coming back, I don't want you, blah, blah, I don't know. Or if they start asking for money back. I'm a very firm believer that I am not going to give you money back. I will do everything I possibly can to make it right and make it better than right. But I have to be given that opportunity. Guess what? We had a lady last year. My guys went over. They did some sloppy work. Just stupid, easy stuff was missed. The underside, a rear inside facing portion of a front porch, and a couple other spots. It just needed to be dealt with properly. And there were some spots where, whatever. But she was very upset about it, and she said, no, I don't want you to fix it. I'm just too upset right now. And I basically had to plead with her. I said, ma'am, I get this. I get that you're upset about this, and I understand that you just want to take care of it or whatever, but I need to fix this. This is something that I made a mistake on, we made a mistake on, and I have to make that right. Please give me the opportunity to make that right. That's it. I mean, she was fine. She gave me lots and lots of compliments when we were done. But not every customer, after something's messed up, is going to want you back on their property. So you have to, and especially, guys, if you're newer, I know you've been putting out this image that you're super great, you got all kinds of awesome equipment, and you were the right person to hire for it. And this isn't a throw yourself under the bus, but let's be realistic here. Ma'am, I really appreciate you giving me the opportunity to clean your house. I have been, I am still new at this. I am still learning and trying to perfect my craft, and obviously I dropped the ball here, and would you please give me the opportunity to make this right for you? And, you're not turning anything extra. You're going out, you're making this, spotless. You're doing a fantastic job on it. Go find something extra to clean on it. You need to make sure that this person is above and beyond pleased with your work. So let's take it another step. If they still won't let you come out, and this is where networking, and sorry, hide that because screw you, networking with other contractors in your area, especially if you're newer. If somebody who's got less experience than I do messed something up around here, said, hey, you know what, let me get Clean Power Wash to come over here. I know you hired me. Let me get them to come over. I know they've been doing this a much longer period of time than I have, and they can get this squared away for you. I'm not going to pay anybody anything. We're going to make sure that you're happy. And guys, this is where networking comes in play, big time. Because if I needed somebody's help, I'm sure that I could find somebody that I could bring in as a, with better branding or experience or whatever it may be, that's going to satisfy that person, that they're getting a second opinion or a second cleaning or whatever it may be. You work something out between you and that other company. I'm sure that there are probably bigger jobs that you can pass along to them that more than make up for the fact that they spent 2 hours helping you fix something. And also, big thing on this too, as soon as you know that something's not right, call them and then get over there in person, because things are misconstrued in text messages and emails. You are going to read what they are saying differently than what they are saying, and they are going to read what you're saying differently than what you're saying or what you mean to say. So very, very important that you're actually communicating in person or on the phone about that. And also, obviously, guys, document. It is nice to document via text and email, but again, you can make things a lot worse. And also, we always say this with our kids too, that at that point, that customer is a lit match. When your siblings being mean to you, they are a lit match. You have the choice whether or not you're going to be gasoline or water. Be water on that situation. Make it better. Do everything possible to resolve that situation and resolve it as fast as possible. So, anyways, I hope that helps, guys. I hope that helps you deal with, whenever you do run into a big snafu. So, have a great day.